Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add date and time field to Google form. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my Google form and I'm going to add date and time field to this form. I'm going to click on this plus button to create new field, and if we want to add the date, we can go to the option right here and then you can select the date. Okay, and I'm just going to add the question first. Enter your birthday. Okay, and I'm going to add time as well. We can click on this plus icon to create new section or new question, and I'm just going to add rifle and I'm going to change it to time. Okay, and I'm going to take a look at the preview. You can click on this icon to see the preview, and this is how your question or your Google form will look like. We will be able to choose date right here and time as well. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add date and time field to Google form. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.